Hello there, I'd like to welcome you to a presentation on GCSE Geography at Litchett Minster School. Geography is not only up-to-date and relevant, it's one of the most exciting, adventurous and valuable subjects that you can study today. So many of the world's current problems boil down to geography, and we need the geographers of the future to help us to understand them. Whether it be global warming, sustainable food production, natural disasters such as earthquakes, volcanoes and tsunamis, the reasons for migration, or the future of energy resources. These are just some of the great challenges which face the next generation of geographers. We study the EdXLB GCSE specification here at the school. In terms of assessment, there is no coursework at GCSE. The subject is assessed through 3 terminal exams, which are taken at the end of Year 11. The content is divided up into 3 different components. The first of those, Component 1, is entitled Global Geographical Issues, and that is divided into 3 different sections. The first of those is Hazardous Earth, where students will look at our changing climate. We will look at extreme weather events such as tropical cyclones and also tectonic hazards, focusing on earthquakes and tsunamis. The second section is Development Dynamics, where students will improve their understanding of the scale of global inequality, plus they will do an in-depth study of India. And our third section is entitled Challenges of an Urbanising World, and the focus is looking at the causes and challenges of rapid urbanisation across the world, with a particular in-depth study of a megacity, and we focus on Mumbai in India. Component 2 is called UK Geographical Issues, and that is split up into 2 sections. First of those, the UK's evolving physical landscape, looks at the role of geology in developing our physical landscapes, but also we look at coastal change and conflict, but also river processes and pressures. The UK's evolving human landscape gives an overview of the changing and varied human landscape of the UK. And we do a case study of a major UK city, and in the past we have focused on Portsmouth. Component 3 is entitled People and Environment Issues Making Geographical Decisions. And this component has 3 sections. The first of those, People and the Biosphere, gives an overview of the global distribution and characteristics of large-scale ecosystems, why the biosphere is important to human well-being and how humans use and modify it in order to obtain resources. The second section is entitled Forests Under Threat, which is a detailed study of tropical rainforests and the taiga, the coniferous forest biome. And the third section is entitled Consuming Energy Resources, a study of renewable and non-renewable energy, its supply and demand, access and energy security issues. The assessment for Component 3 involves a booklet of resources which will be provided in the examination, where students will need to answer questions and draw on information in the booklet and make reasoned justifications for proposing sustainable futures. There are a number of fieldwork days which are included within the GCSE course, 2 of which are compulsory. One of those involves visiting the coastline, and the other one involves visiting an urban environment. And in the past we have visited Barton-on-Sea in the South Hampshire coastline and Portsmouth. Because of the fact that geography is such a broad subject and it complements the science subjects so well and also sits very well with the arts subjects, it means that students of geography gain a wide variety of skills. These go beyond just the map skills that maybe are traditionally associated with the subject, but they include things such as statistics and working with data, interpreting photos and cartoons, debating and arguing your point, as well as modern computer-based mapping. And this makes geography students very employable. So geography can take you to a wide range of places and also a wide range of careers. So, if you are really interested in the subject, if you are enjoying the work that you are doing in Year 9 in your lessons, if you want to work extremely hard, and if you are ambitious and want to achieve the very best grades, and if you care about our world and want to make a positive difference, then we would encourage you to choose geography as one of your GCSE options. Obviously, if you have any queries about any aspect of this presentation, or the GCSE geography course, or any aspect of the subject of geography, then please do speak to myself, Mr. Salter, or any of the other geography teachers in the department.